it's Valerie's Virtual Time!
Hi everyone, so today we have, let me try and find Platform Yo, new terminal, adjust it, so then we can see everything. This will be good. But anyways, no thanks. Let's see, Python, hahaha. Ultimate Pong.py / okay, I just missed one plane. / oh wait, it's a /. Okay, 1 second. Do I really need to already open up a new terminal? Okay, sorry, I'm not used to this.
I don't know.
There we go. So we have a ball in the middle and 2 paddles, but we can't move them. So we want to move them to make it actual Pong. So what we're gonna do is add some functions, right? Probably here will be good. Function buzz. What am I typing? Okay. Now functions, you are supposed to define them first, then use them. So defining isn't really actually using them yet. So we're gonna do paddle A up. Call that one paddle A up. And we're gonna do y equals, no, that's minus, equals paddle A dot y core. There. Okay, and we want our thing to move, right? So we're gonna do y plus, it's just basically plus in Python. You can say plus equals, whatever. Y plus equals 20. It's gonna add every single time 20 pixels, I think. Now, it's not set to the real y yet. So we need to do paddle A dot set y, or seti, to the new y, because we haven't changed it yet. Okay, so now this really doesn't want to do anything, so first let's do that. It doesn't really want to do anything. It's only define. It's only like in a storage box or something. We want to take it out of the storage box, so in order to do that we need to add some keyboard binding. Keyboard binding, or yeah, binding, there you go. Now we just want the window to listen to us. Okay, window listen. This tells the computer to listen to our commands below this thing. And what we're going to do is WN on key press paddle A up. W. There, this won't work if you have caps lock on. If you put like this, a capital W, you'll need to hold shift and W, which I'm pretty sure you don't want to do. So let's just go with the little w to make it easier. Now since we defined it, it says paddle A up here and here. So whatever in this define, and when we press W is basically, it's going to activate all of this. So when we press W, it's going to add 20 pixels and change it to the new Y. So yeah, it's going to happen pretty fast. Let's test it. Python ultimate Pong.py. Oh wait, W. Now we can't go down, so it's just going to launch off the screen into outer space. We don't want that to happen. So we're pretty much going to do the same thing. Well, first we need to define it. Duh. I am not smart right now. I'm not thinking, basically. Now, instead of paddle A up, we want it to go down. You down. What am I typing? Now we're gonna minus. Set Y to the new Y. Now we don't need to press the listen twice, because as I said earlier, anything under the listen will make the computer listen. So yeah, and we're gonna do down, and we're gonna do S, the below of W. So let me check if that works. What is this doing here? Python./ultimate Pong.py. Now it should not launch off into outer space, but land. See? Now we have our first paddle ready. Since we have that ready, we can make this one ready super easily. By easily copying these two. All that we need to make the changes for paddle B. Now this might be a little confusing, but it won't be confusing anymore. Now you want to make sure, here's the thing, you don't want to miss anything here, because you want to make sure everything is B in this section. What is wrong with you, computer? I'm trying to work here. What? Why up? Where did that get to? No, I want it to be... Okay, I don't know what's wrong with this computer right now, but okay, let's just not mind that. And now here comes player 2. Now, duh, we need to change everything to B, because that's the best. Now, how do you make the arrow keys? I want to do the arrow keys. Like, I can't just press up. Like, if I delete this and then press up, it's just going to go up. So, I'm going to do a capital U, up. And same with the S, except down. There. Now, it should be able to work for both of these. I don't know what this annoying arrow is doing. Ultimate Pong.py. Now, we know the WS works. Let's check if this thing works. It does work. Yep. Now, it's all not fun with the ball staying at the center. That's not true, Pong. I mean, I guess we can move the paddles and make them launch into outer space and crash in the core of the Earth. But we want the ball to start moving, like bouncing all over the screen, and have collision on the paddle. So let's just make the ball move first. And we need to do that because, like, okay, never mind what I just said, but we're going to need a ball.dx. Now, you have to kind of play around with this for yourself. You don't have to copy on my computer. I'm using a Dell computer. I mean a laptop. And for my laptop, it works for 0.2 or something like that. So, you can go ahead and try it out. I'm not sure if that's the correct one, but DY. And let's go 0.2. Now, let's just... yeah. So you can go ahead and play around with those after we're test it. You don't test it right now, I think, because we haven't got the whole thing. But these two numbers, and not that part, just ignore it. But these two numbers, you have to basically play around with it. It just depends on your computer, so. Now that's all that we're going to do in the ball. We have to go down to the main game loop. Hello, fellow main game loop. We haven't done anything in you for a long time. And we're going to do, let's do one more enter. Move the ball. Why do you want to? Ball. There. Now, get ready for a lot of typing. I might not. This is a very long part, so you can pause the video whenever you want to just to catch up if you're following me. Here we go. So here you go. Ball dot set x to ball dot x coordinates. Did I have parentheses? Yes, it does have parentheses, and plus ball dot dx. This one does not have a parentheses. And yeah, that's not all. You might think it's small, but wait, just wait. Never mind, you can just copy this. Ignore what I just said about long. Okay, let's copy it. And we don't want it to be x, otherwise we have two duplicates. Ball.dy. There. Huh? Why? Okay, it just magically, whatever. Now on my laptop, let's just show you. I'll just show you. Python ultimate Pong dot py. Now on my laptop, it doesn't want to bounce. Let's check again. It should bounce off here and onto. Okay, I don't know where you're getting that. Let me double check. Okay, that flying off the screen was totally normal. Like, look. If you have this ball flying off the screen, like me, don't worry, it's totally normal. We did nothing to control that, so now we're gonna do something about it. Border checking. Totally, that's gonna help solve our problem. Okay, if ball dot y core is greater than 290, we set okay, ball dot set to 290, helping avoid some problem. Now ball dot dy times -1. Now we can test all of this code. Python ultimate.py being okay. Well, it doesn't work. So let's check what we did wrong. Oh wait. The thing that I did wrong is not saving. Don't forget, always save before running your code. Okay, well, let's do the next thing. So now, I can't test this because you know, my things are like in decimal, so I can't really do the negative things. But if you have like a whole number of some sort, go ahead and test this. Like, you can copy it and then run it. And I'm pretty sure the only change we need to make is this, and yeah. Now, you can go ahead and test it. I can't really test it because if I test it, like, let me show you. Like, this is what... Okay. I think that's not the only change we need to make. Okay, here's the thing that I forgot. There. Should work. Now, see, it doesn't return back to the center and let me check. So yeah, that just happens. Now we need to do the ball, like the pedals collision. If ball.xcore is, I hate when you end up in the parentheses. Okay. Ball.xcore is greater than 390. Go to 0. Sorry, it's ball. Ball.go to. Now ball.dx times -1. There. Now let's check. Pretty sure we'll get. Yep. Exactly. Okay. We're supposed to make it like 0, 0, so then we wouldn't get the error. So let's just test it again. Teamit Pong.py. Now it should work. Okay. It still doesn't work. Oh, that's only because I'm a total. I keep forgetting to say. That's annoying. There. Ooh, let's go. Now I just need to work it for the other side too, so then it will be an infinite loop of doing, 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 doing. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy this guy. Ball.score -390 less than, and that's pretty much all we need to do. Python. Let's watch our lovely ball go. Perfect. Sure, the speed might be a little janky, but it's okay. We got our thing to work. It's just an infinite loop. Now we just need to get the ball moving. So, not really moving, but what I mean by moving is colliding with the pedals. So, yeah, that will make it. Pedal and ball collision. Did I spell that correct? Nope. There. Ooh. Now here's the long one. So just make sure you can pause it anytime you want. And I guarantee you this is a long one. So if ball.xcore is greater than 340 and parentheses ball.ycore I think is less than pedal b.ycore plus 50. It's still in the parentheses, and ball.ycore is greater than pedal b.ycore minus 50. And add a semicolon. There. Perfect. Now, ball.dx times -1. Voila. Now if I try to, okay, well that works perfectly, but if the ball sneaks behind, yeah, that happens sometimes. See? That's just crazy, right? Like, that's not supposed to happen in regular Pong, like where it goes through that thing. So in order to fix that, we need to, okay, so not only that, you need to place the parentheses. There. Bonk. And ball dot x coordinates is less than 350, and yeah, that's pretty long. And now we do ball dot set x to 340. Now I'm pretty sure we won't have any of those crazy glitches anymore. So let's see. Okay, I missed. That's just okay. Now let's not miss this time. And okay, it bounces. Now let's have it sneak past the paddle. Well, at least it didn't get stuck in between this, right? That's just something. Well, there's no more of those crazy glitches, like if we... no more glitches. That's great. And now we copy. There. And we just need to make the following changes. First change. Minus 340. I hate this. And then... greater than minus 350, and it's all okay except we wanted to make it paddle A and not paddle B. There. Should be okay now. Okay. And let's switch this to 40 and see how it goes. I mean, if it doesn't work then, we'll obviously change it back. But let's see how it goes. It should work fine. No, do not miss. Okay, that's something strange. Okay, I'm obviously gonna change it back to 50 because... No, I hate this. I hate you, computer. Okay, that's gonna be 5. No. No. There you go. Now let me see what's wrong. Probably I didn't save. Yep. Just strange. Now, what we tested. It's good to test instead of writing the whole thing, otherwise then the whole thing might collapse immediately and you're gonna have to dig through the whole thing just to find that one mistake, so it's okay to test in between. Ding. Ding. Yeah, let's go. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. There's going to be a cool new video on 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe to see that new video. And on the next video, we will see how to get the points up. Like, look, ultimate Pong, PY. Look, see, there's nothing, no score on top, so how can you keep track? I guess you could write them down, but the ball's gonna go crazy fast, so yeah, that's just gonna be... Like, look, if there were points on top of here, both of these sides would be having an equal number of points by now. Alright, bye coders, have a great day.